Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use text-to-speech on CapCut. If you've ever wanted your videos to speak for themselves, or maybe you want to add a professional-sounding voiceover without recording your own, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to know how to convert any text into realistic speech directly inside CapCut. It's quick, creative, and super useful for all kinds of projects. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up CapCut. If you're new to CapCut, this is a powerful video editing app that's become especially popular for social media content. So just locate that CapCut icon and tap to get started. Once the app has loaded, you'll want to start with a blank canvas. This is like starting with a clean sheet of paper. You aren't distracted by any previous edits or existing elements. Simply select New Project, or whichever option lets you open an empty workspace. Now, the next step is adding a text element. Look for the Text button, which is usually at the bottom or side of the screen depending on your device. Click that, and a text box will pop up right on your canvas. Here's where we'll begin transforming typed words into spoken words, so be sure you're on a blank canvas to keep things simple. In that text box, type out your message. Let's use "Good morning" for this example. You can, of course, write anything you'd like, but I recommend starting with something short so you can get a feel for the process. Enter the text and perhaps adjust the size or style just the way you like. Text-to-speech will only convert what's written, so keep it clear and easy to understand, especially if the final video will be seen by others. Once your text is ready, look for the option labeled Text-to-Speech. It's usually sitting above or near the text editing controls. Go ahead and tap it. This is the magic button that will turn your written words into spoken audio. The app then prompts you to choose an AI voice. CapCut typically offers a selection. You might see female voice 1, male voice 2, or even specialized voices. Select the one that fits your project. If you're just experimenting, feel free to try a few and see which personality matches your message best. Remember, this choice impacts how your audience feels your video. It's a subtle but powerful touch. After you've chosen your AI voice, simply click to confirm the selection. Now comes the part where you let CapCut do the heavy lifting. The app will take a moment to process. You may see a loading sign. Don't worry. This is perfectly normal and doesn't usually take long, but just be patient if your phone is a little slower or your internet is lagging. You don't need to do anything except wait for CapCut to generate the voiceover from your text. Now, here's something important. The text-to-speech feature in CapCut requires you to have the Pro plan. If you just have the free version, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to upgrade. It's worth considering if you plan to use text-to-speech regularly. But if you only want to experiment today, see what options come up, or check if there's a trial available before you commit. And that's it. Your text is now spoken out loud by an AI voice, ready to be added to your project. You can adjust the placement, mix it with your other audio, or even create fun effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you want me to dive deeper into any CapCut features. And for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.